Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Saummya and today we will be moving forward to our fourth question in Babbar 450 questions DSA sheet, which is sort an array of zeros, ones and twos without using any sorting algorithm. So this is our question sheet and today we will be moving forward to this fourth question. Given an array which consists of only 0, 1 and 2's, sort the array without using any sorting algorithm. Okay, so let's move to the question. The question is on Geeks for Geeks platform. So let's just read our question for first. Given an array of size n containing 0, 1 and 2, sort the array in ascending order. Also, one condition that we will be focusing on is without using any sorting algorithm. Otherwise, if we use the sort algorithm, then the problem is nothing. We will just do the sorting in our array and we'll be getting the solution. Just return the array. We'll compile and run. Okay, submit. Yes, it's done. But people, this is not the way we need to solve this. We need to solve the problem without using any sorting algorithm. So to do this, what we'll be doing is the idea is to first insert all the zeros, then ones and then twos in a array. Okay, so let's just take the at first let's just take the count of all the elements in the given array. One way is we can take the count by using the for loop, like let's say count of 0 is equal to 0 in starting, and for I in array, if I is 0, then increment the count by 1. But in Python we are already having a method for doing so we can just take this as c0 is equal to dot count of 0. Okay, and similarly we will be writing this for 1 and 2. Okay, now moving okay guys, so since for now we are having the count of every element, that is 0, 1 and 2, what we can do is start a for loop for I in range n. Okay, if count of 0 is not equal to 0, then we will be then that element will be 0. Okay, means the element at that index in the array be equal to 0, and decrement the count of 0 by 1. Okay, then if the count of 0 is not 0, then all the zeros will be getting inserted in the array like this only till the index. Okay, and after 0 we'll be checking the same for 1. Count of 1 is not equal to 0, then array of I will be 1 and count of 1 will be decremented by 1, and if it is not 0 or 1, obviously by default it will be 2. So array of I, this is equal to 2. Okay, and now we just simply need to return the array. Okay, so let's just try to compile and run. Perfect, and submit. It's done. I hope the code is clearly visible to you guys. This was our code. First we took count of all the 3 elements, and according to count, like let's just see this example. Okay, count of 0 is how much? 2. Count of 1 is 1, and count of 2 is 2. For this, count of 0 is not 0. Okay, the first element will be 0. Let's write this out. First element will be 0. Then again the loop will run. Again, now the count of 0 is 2 minus 1, 1. Okay, again it will be 0 since it is not 0. And again now the value of C0 will be 0. So no 0 will be inserted. Similarly for 1, and similarly 2's will be inserted. And this is our solution. So guys, that's all for today. I hope you liked my video, and if you are liking my videos, please like, comment, subscribe my channel, and please share with your friends. Thank you so much.